Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon for notifications. Today, we're diving into the world of long-lasting makeup. Do you struggle to keep your makeup looking fresh all day? You're not alone, but worry no more. Let's discover the secrets to an all-day flawless look. First things first, proper skincare is the foundation of any great makeup look. Start with a clean canvas. Use a gentle cleanser followed by a hydrating moisturizer. Don't forget a primer before applying your makeup. Look for a mattifying primer if you have oily skin, or a hydrating one if your skin tends to be dry. This step is essential for helping your makeup adhere better. Next up is foundation. Choose a long-lasting, matte finish foundation to prevent shine and keep your skin looking fresh all day. Apply using a damp beauty sponge or a brush for an even finish. Remember, less is more. Build up the coverage where needed. To lock in your foundation, use a translucent setting powder. Lightly dust it over your face, focusing on areas prone to shine. This will help absorb excess oil throughout the day. Now for the eyes. Use a waterproof eyeliner and mascara to ensure they won't budge, even if you get a little teary-eyed. For blush and bronzer, choose powder formulas over creams. They tend to last longer. Now, let's talk lips. Opt for a long-wearing liquid lipstick that withstands eating and drinking. You can also use a lip liner to define your lips and prevent feathering. Finally, one of the most important steps, setting spray. A good quality setting spray creates a barrier that locks in your makeup and keeps you looking flawless for hours. And there you have it. An all-day makeup look that will keep you looking fresh from dawn to dusk. You'll be makeup ready for any occasion. Thank you for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. What are your go-to products for long-lasting makeup? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful.